Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of What's in My Aliexpress Basket. And today it's very varied. We have lots of different things. So the first thing is this Alice in Wonderland rubber stamp, £1.63. Really like the images on this stamp. And then we have a dog stamp, so £1.85. It is just dogs. So it's what you just see there. So if you're looking for a project or you like dogs, then that's the one to have there for you. Right, okay, so that's what it looks like stamped. And then I have this frames stamp set, very ornate, beautiful frames. Also, you've got the little corner flourishes, which are always handy to have on your projects and your especially your journals, etc. Now this is a really interesting metal die frame, and it's a circular decorative frame, but it's got the bits missing in the middle, and you cut them out and then you can stamp letters if you've got an alphabet stamp. So really cool. And I just thought that's lovely because you could put a name in there, lots of different things. Then I have a die cut set. There's 40 pieces and it's £3.05. Lots of bits and pieces and little words and goodies to add to your projects and enhance them. Another stamp, so we've got this butterfly background stamp. I really like this because sometimes I'll do a script stamp and then I'll add a butterfly to it. Well, this one you don't have to. You've got it all there. Excuse me. A few different mixed things in my shopping bag today. Especially like this gold foil patterned decorative scrapbooking paper sheets. You get 24 sheets. They're 8x8 and they're £8.62. But very plush, very gorgeous. I love the gold, love the sort of designs on them as well. Very beautiful. And we have these 3D, you get 3 packets and the metal stickers, and they're like these little frames and they're very beautiful. They're £3.31. You get the 3 packets. It's not just one packet, you get all 3. We have a lace border die, £2.12. Very pretty. I've got 2, I think, in my basket today of those. And then we have these vintage flowers vellum paper sticker sheets, and these are 20 centimetre by 20 centimetre, and that's £6.23. Very colourful, very pretty, very shabby chic, and lots of pieces to choose from. Yeah, so I thought today it's not really embellishments, there's a few, but it's more to do with paper and these pockets. Look at these pocket cards. They are 25 pieces for £3.05. And they remind me very much of the Happy Planner pages that you get in there, and also other planners. I've bought cards and journaling cards, and they're just beautiful. Really, really pretty. Oh, okay, we've got 118 piece, and this is Happy Sunshine die cut pack, and it's £5.57, but you get 118 yummy, delicious die cut pieces for your projects. I mean, look, they keep you going for a long time. And then the next one is the second decorative edge border die, we had the other one a minute ago. And really super easy to do wraparounds, wraparound cards, invitations. Just makes your life so much easier. And there's just a couple of examples here. You can either have the one colour or put something in the middle so that you can put something on there. Okay, so this is a square border die. You get 5 pieces, so there's 5 different sizes, or there's 4 main bits, and then you've got the little centre decorative bit, and that's £3.51. Just, there's so many different ones out there. I just want to have more. Okay, now we have this 30 piece vintage craft paper label stickers. It's a mouthful. £2 and two. You know, these are very vintage looking, and you know, be easy to just pop on your projects. Then we have these 3 different designs. They are die cut packs, and they're £2.32. You only get the 1 pack, so there's 3 different designs on that one. But there are, you know, quite a lot in the pack. It doesn't say how many bits, but you can see from the picture it looks like quite a lot. I'd say 60 pieces at least, but it didn't say on the listing, so I'll let you know when they come. Another rubber stamp, and this is retro cars, £1.58. Very lovely old-fashioned cards there. Right, now decorative rectangle frame dies, £3.25, and I believe there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 different sizes on this. Very pretty, very decorative. And then we have another stamp set, which is a leaves stamp set. I think I've gone mad on the stamp sets today. I go through phases. One minute I like to get lots of different stamps, and then dies and embellishments. So it's a bit of a mixture. Look at this pretty strawberry lace die, £1.85. How gorgeous is that to put on the corner of a card, or the corner of, make a little pocket for your journal or your scrapbooks. I mean, it's very simple, but look, it's very pretty when it's done. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. And then the last thing in my basket today are these flower corner dies, and they are £1.98 for the 2. Oh no, we've got some napkins, I lied. These are cupcake napkins. They're 20 pieces for £2.58. I completely forgot I had them in there. How gorgeous are they? I've actually ordered these, not actually for crafting, for I just love them. I want them on my table, but they would be great to use for crafting as well. So lots of different goodies in my shopping trolley today. Don't forget to click on the link in the description if you want to order any of the products, and I shall see you all very soon for more goodies and more spending. But don't forget, it is crafting on a budget, so I do all the hard work for you, looking for all these great things and sharing them with you. Take care for now. Bye bye.